Hi there, this is Akash here from the Programming with Akash channel. So in this video we will be discussing about solving two language problem that is arising actually why after coming the Python into the market. There is a lot of confusion over there. So why it is like why what is the main consideration? So in many organization, so consider in the organization, this is an organization particularly we are dealing, okay. So in the organization it is common that research they are used as a main only one programming language they have to focus for the research, as well as as it defining their new ideas. So they should test the new ideas and use more specialized computing languages SAS or AS, but later they are finding their posters and to be a part of a, and this SAS and R they are using it for the analysis kind of a purpose, and for building their application, building the production systems they are using like popular programming languages, production systems like Java, C Sharp, C++ for the that kind of purposes. People are increasingly in finding the Python as a suitable language. Why? Because it is giving the more of the suitability for the scientific computing, for developing an applications, okay. For the research also we can use for the suitable developing an application that to build the production systems, that also it is very useful. And okay, so for that, for building a prototype and building a production systems also it is used. So by maintaining so next question comes is like why maintaining the development environments that one will suffice, another will fall, something kind of this. So I believe that more and more companies are going over this path. So organization has become like they are giving the benefit out of that for both researchers and the software engineers as well. They're using some sort of a programming tools. So the tools library support given by the Python is very good kind of a thing. So first of a thing is like Python as a programming language. Python as programming language we can use here, and we can use for the production systems whatever the design we can design the production systems, okay. Design the production systems, and two language problem it is solving actually. So production system, researchers, and prototype, building the prototype, and it is helpful for both researchers and software engineers, okay. This is useful for both of them as well. So that's it about this video. We have discussed that what two language problem is basically is about. So several learning a separate kind of a language for building a production system, it will take too much time, huge amount of time for learning particular language and implementing into the ideas whichever the things we are focusing about. So it is very hard thing. So for that purpose as well we are focusing on this. So this is the thing. So in next video, why for certain kind of a scenarios why we cannot use Python for certain kind of a scenarios. So that's it about this video. So I will keep the video short and simple so that you will understand whatever I am trying to convey, the concepts, convey the idea what I am trying to tell. So that's it about this video, guys. So if you understand what I am telling, to try to understand in these concepts, so you can subscribe to my channel and you can comment down the video which part of a video if you want in upcoming.